And now to a special part of the West Asia Post. We bring you an exclusive ground report from Beirut, the capital of Lebanon, the city I'm currently standing in. You know, we always have reported about the rising inflation, the prices of the imported goods, the economic crisis in Lebanon, but also there's the resilience. Beirut is home to rich culture and tradition. In the next report, we take a look at some local initiatives, handmade and homemade goods that are being sold by women. Let's take a look.
So this initiative is to help people during this economic crisis sell their own products, home goods, traditional home goods. As you know that Lebanon is known for many traditional foods. So each area is special, some areas in Bekaa do certain foods and other areas do another foods. So these foods are basically homemade, mostly organic. And due to the economic crisis, people are not able to access or buy imported goods due to the increase of prices. So they are tending to buy more local products. So that's why we are helping small families and local businesses to develop and sell their own products.
So this is here in the UNESCO Palace. It is under the sponsorship of the Ministry of Culture in Lebanon. Such initiatives has really became a trend since the economic crisis hit Lebanon. We see it in all places and all territories all across Lebanon. But this is very new in terms of women empowerment.